Hi everyone, I'm Sichin and I'm an artist, art therapist and art educator. Today we're going to try a simple art activity that the family can do together. We're going to explore a little bit of tape and foil sculpture. So today we're going to use mainly masking tape and aluminum foil. Everyday materials that you can find in the house to make a little sculpture. Before you say you don't know how to make a sculpture, let me show you a piece of artwork from the National Gallery Singapore's collection to motivate you. Let's take a look at Mr. Tan Teng Kee's artwork. What do you see here? If you answered lines, you are very observant. Why do you think the artist included these elements? The title of this artwork is Space Sculpture No. 1, and it's an abstract piece of work. Abstract art is art that does not try to show you exactly what you see in everyday life, but instead uses shapes and colors to achieve its effect. So let's take a look at art materials that we will use. Firstly, we're going to use some aluminum foil. It is lightweight and easy to shape. Secondly, we'll have some masking tape. This can be of various widths. Next, look for some found objects. I'm using styrofoam, but you could easily use plastic parts or wood bits for the base. Prepare some newspaper and white glue. Lastly, you're going to need some watercolor or poster paints and some brushes to go with that. So I'm going to start off by preparing my base. Cut it up to the size that you want. Grab some aluminum foil and newspaper. Tear out bits and pieces of it. Use the newspaper as the base and roll the aluminum foil around it. This will help to create the shape that you need. Once you have made several of these lines, using Mr. Tan Teng Kee's Space Sculpture No. 1 as an inspiration for creating abstract works in space, make a rough shape from the found objects bound together. Take some masking tape and additional sheets of foil and wrap the structure, adding lumps of crumpled foil here and there and squeezing to refine the shape. Here are some additional steps if you want to color your sculpture. Wrap all your aluminum foil with masking tape. Prime or prepare the sculpture with a layer of white glue. This will make painting easier for you. Use the masking tape to make the sculpture more stable and to further enhance the shape. It may take up to an hour for the white glue to dry, or you may speed up the process by using a hairdryer. Lastly, paint where your imagination leads you. Enjoy the process! Now, how would you create your own abstract sculpture? Give it a try. Remember, there is no right or wrong way of doing it. And lastly, when you get the chance to, do come down to the gallery to see and experience Mr. Tan Teng Kee's Space Sculpture No. 1.